thank you for contacting Wave Support. From your request, it sounds like your lenses are fitting fairly well, but dropping a little bit on this cornea. Well, if we look at the lower right-hand topography, you'll notice that that steepen area is a little bit lower in the cornea. So therefore, most lenses will have a tendency to want to drop and center around that, causing the lens to displace a little bit inferiorly. To help combat that, you want to use the peripheral part of that topography, this area in the blue area, to help this lens align as accurately as you can. That'll help keep that lens pushed up in position. When we look at your design, you've designed in axial mode, and this design looks very nice in the Wave software. You may recall that tangential design philosophy generally looks a little bit more precisely at this peripheral corneal data in the topography, whereas axial tends to look a little bit more accurately at the central data. So if you're trying to get better alignment in the peripheral cornea, especially if you have some lens awareness issues, sometimes I find that if you're unable to achieve comfortable wear with the axial design, I'll just switch over to tangential. So in this case, I would switch to tangential. And you'll notice if you look at this lens design from a tangential modality, you'll see that it looks kind of steep on the eye. So I'll go through here and hit Tools and let Wave redesign. And once it's done redesigning, I'll look once again at this landing zone between the blue and the pink dot. So now this area should be probably a little more precisely aligned with this blue area in the outer topography. And once again, we'll click up a couple times, 2 or 3 times in this pink dot. That'll give us a bevel lift around 4.4 and a edge lift around 13. Maybe bring it down a little bit. So that should hopefully give us a little bit nicer alignment through that peripheral cornea. And remember, a tangential modality will probably flatten the lens design about a half diopter. Wave will adjust the powers accordingly for this patient. So hopefully that'll get you a little bit better alignment and a little more consistent comfort as the day goes on. So thank you for contacting Wave Support and have a great day.